Here we go.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor Currency Trader. Right now, this has been a crazy night. We had that breakout of the Euro US dollar that came back on us. I think it was right about here. Came down, but then it took off, so I was able to make some money on it. Hopefully, you guys did too. It was pretty crazy. And then I tried to sell it down into here. Then it got real crazy, and finally it dropped, so I made a little more money. And now it's finally dropping again, and I'm going to make some more. So, anyway, the break came pretty quick. Hopefully, you were able to catch some of this. I mean, it's real fast. It's going to keep going, I think, down to the ADR low, but I'm already up almost $500, so I'm going to be taking this all pretty soon. So I just wanted to let you guys know, and thank you for listening and watching my trades and ideas. All I'm trying to do is show you that it's possible to make a money, to trade for a living. I mean, sometimes it seems very difficult, but it is possible, and it's definitely doable, and it's definitely worth it. There's nothing I'd rather do better in all my life than trade and make money and sit at home, and especially right now in these crazy times. That's all I can tell you. I mean, any time where you got $5,000 to $7,000, even $2,000 in overseas account, and you can make $500 a day, it's pretty good. And now with my Nadex trading, it's making money too. Matter of fact, I need to check my trade. Yeah, we're gone into profit on that too. Yeah, I'm up $40, so that's good. When it gets up to like 60 or so, I'll go ahead and take it. But right now, we're right here. We should get another push down. Here it comes. I just want to get above 500. I don't want to get too greedy. What happens when you get greedy, the whole thing turns around and I miss it all. One more little push and we'll start closing these out. I mean, theoretically, it should come all the way down here, but with the way the market's been lately, I don't know. It's been too crazy. Every time you thought something, it went the opposite. So you really had to be on a swivel and be able to flip those buttons and close trades and open trades. If not, you were losing money. So, and if you made a mistake and got in the wrong side, or that's why it's so important about timing. You want to get in at the height, not down here lower. Like we got in down here, but the key was to get in here, which a trend line would get you in here. But that's a whole nother class. So we're coming up on my 500. We're 444. It's almost there. It's gonna play with me now. One thing the markets have really been playing with us. So it's been a real mental game, and that's probably the biggest game you're going to have to learn to trade with. Unless you use the robots, then there's no stress at all. But if you put trades on your own, it's going to mess with you. The dollar's still strong, so I'm not worried. You got to have the strength meter on all the time because that's the only thing that'll keep you in the trade sometimes. I mean, yeah, you got the GG trend bar, which is telling you it's all downhill. It's telling you the I panel is telling you that's really strong to the bottom, but this will keep you in the trade when you see that the dollar's 5.9 and the euro is 1.4. But when you see the dollar go from 5.9 to 5.7 and the euro go to 2, then it's time to start just taking what you can. And I hate to take 300, 400 when I know at least you can get 5. So 1.13. See, 1.1 is dropping. It means it's going to keep going down. The dollar got to 6. I mean, it's great signs right there. I don't believe we have any resistance in the way or anything. I mean, this. I got a lot on this trade too. What do I got? I got 1, 2, 2.5 lots. Had me pretty maxed out earlier, so. But you know, the account is here to make me money, so that's the goal. Once we get these closed out, then I'll close out my Nadex trade. Just need to get a push down here to the end. But we got some tails, so it's hard to say. 5713, we're still in the game, so we'll see. Problem is if I put a trailing stop and we get a little pullback, it'll take me out of all the trades and I won't get that much money. So it's better I just click out when we get there. Like we're trying to get a move down. 5714, we still got a chance. They are getting closer together though. That's what's showing us the stall. We're still at 86.16. We got a little indecision right here on the 1 minute. That's the problem. Now we're starting to come up to 1.7. That's not good. Where are we at? 250. That 1.6 coming back our way. Not much. Maybe retesting this blue line. Okay, now we're down to 1.6 again, but the 5.3, 5.1's coming up. So they're getting closer together. We're getting down to 78. Now we're at 5.617. We're getting a little farther apart. Still 5.617, but it's dropping. It's showing us a tail. And that tail is gold to me. It tells me to hang on. If it goes to only $200 in profit, I'll probably just close out and try to get back in again. Just so you can understand my thinking, that's all. $200 is better than zero. Okay, we're at 5.919. That's not good. 7.9 profit. Still got a chance for this to drop. Hate to give up all that money. Let's see, total strength is 5919, went to 17. Jumping back and forth, 1719. Starting to show a tiny tail again, that's good. I really think it's going to go down to the bottom, but it just drives you crazy when you watch this. Usually when it consolidates like this, it does the same leg here, down here, and that would take us to the bottom. That's why I'm holding on so much. I'd rather walk away with a little bit of money than not take a chance to get the big money. Because the odds are definitely in my favor it's going to go down. We're at 5917, going back up 86. Just a tiny indecision right here. $1.6, getting better. 6.3, $1.63. That's awesome. Here we go. 350. 6116. Starting to get a push. $6 getting stronger. It's definitely going to go drop more. This is just consolidation. We're going to drop all the way down into here. Now we're at 414 is trying. So tempting to take it right now, trust me. 419, 430, we're starting to get the push. I mean, this could easily be a $600 trade, $700 trade. And if we get all the way down here, if it went fast, it would be a $1,000 trade. But I just don't think I got what it takes to wait. See, we're starting to pull back up again. But we're still 6.4, so I'm happy that tells me to hang on. Just trying to break through the support here. But when it breaks, it's going to go fast, I think. There we go, 429, 421. It's pushing. Come on, break. 6916 looks really good. Even like this, I think it just turn around and go back to the top. Drives me crazy. I think we'll pull our stop down just in case. I don't trust it. Problem is, if it jerks up real quick, it'll take me out of the trade. But oh well, it's a chance you take. It's better than walking away or waiting till later. I don't want to go home with an empty basket. Just trying to stay calm so I can let this thing run because it's so tempting just to start taking the money. There it is, almost 5. Now you can see how this stuff can mess with you. Okay, there we are at 5. If we can get the first one to 100, I'll start taking them. We're almost there. Already at 530, 540. I'm getting greedy now. There's 100. We'll close that one. Let this one get to 100. Close that one. 2, 3. Trying to get to 150 on this one. Because I'm already at 3. We can get to 150, and the other one's already at 160. That would be $600 easy. So close. We're at 721. Should still go down. And this is an American company. I can't take them out of order. That's the problem. That FIFO rule really sucks. I'm taking now to at least 5. So we made 5 here. So that's great. That's awesome. Got my account up to 8 grand. This is a live account. Now let's see what other money we got. We got other money out there. Where is the Nadex account? Right there. Here we go. We are up only $56. That's it. 60. We were up more. Let's see if we can get a pull down on this one. If we can just get back to the bottom, that would be great. Now this one's only got 4 contracts. Imagine if you had 8 contracts. You'd already be up over $100 easy on this. I only got 4 hours and 5 minutes left on this contract. This is a knockout, so just to explain it, either get knocked out at the top or bottom, but I never go there. I'm just in for the move to make a little bit of money. And to close these, you just click on it. It'll give you the opposite trade, which will get you out of the trade. So it's very simple to get in and get out. We can get back to the bottom. I think that would give us the $100 that we didn't get over there. So that would be nice. Make it a $600 day. It's already kind of a long video. Sorry about that. For sure it'll get down to these last bottoms right in here. There it is, 100.